working with Georgia Brew is fantastic. They brought me in on the team. He has taught me a lot, educated me a lot. So I just want to say, working with JNT, Elevate, and Georgia Brew, fantastic. Excellent group. Excellent group.
My experience working with JNT Construction has been phenomenal. George and his team and the guys he has working for him are very detail-oriented. They're very speedy. So the experience has been great. Communication's been great. So I would definitely recommend them.
JNT's been really great to work with, and you know they're just phenomenal. Their execution's great. They're always timely. The product is always top-notch. They got a phenomenal crew, so highly recommend JNT.
My name is Dallas. I'm a superintendent for JNT Construction. Some of my roles consist of site responsibilities such as material management, site coordination.
Hello, my name is Sai Sansare. I'm the estimator for JNT Construction. I wear many hats in my role as an estimator. I engage in various aspects of our projects such as assisting with preparation of estimates.
The reason I love working at JNT is because we get to build up a bunch of new different properties. I like seeing the results from something that's completely messed up and deteriorated to building up something nice.
I've been working at JNT for about a year now and absolutely love it. I like the communication that we have as a team. Very much look forward to staying here long term.
Working at JNT has been a great experience. It's a lot of fun. We're a family. We have a very dynamic team. You know, if you're passionate about construction, multifamily, you get to learn not only how to do analysis, you get to learn numbers, you get to learn markets. So it's amazing.